Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for spending time with me. Welcome to Friday night cocktails. Gin, mule. Let's make this drink. You're gonna need gin, simple syrup. I made my own ginger beer. I'll show you how to do that. Some mint, a shaker, glass, ice, fresh lime juice. Let's make this drink. Alright, so for the ginger beer, you're gonna need in a saucepan 1 cup of water, and we are gonna squeeze and crush some fresh ginger, about a tablespoon of fresh ginger in the boiling water. Cover that and let it steep for about an hour. And the simple syrup, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water. Bring that up to a boil until the sugar dissolves, and yeah, let that sit and cool down. So 1 part water, 1 part sugar, dissolved, let it sit. This is good to go. Homemade ingredients are their best. All right, at this point, we are going to strain the ginger beer into a container. Make sure you don't get the crushed fresh ginger in there. So just strain that out. Liquid should be a little bit brown. There's our ginger beer. We're gonna finish it up with a teaspoon of brown sugar and a teaspoon of fresh lime juice. And we have homemade ginger beer, well, without the bubbles. If you want bubbles, you can add some seltzer or any bubble liquid that you have, soda water, seltzer, whatever. But this to me is my homemade ginger beer. All right, let's make the cocktail. All right, 1 ounce homemade simple syrup. We're gonna do 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice and a sprig of mint. Just gonna muddle that guys in there to get that mint going. That should do it. Then we're gonna do 1 1/4 ounces of gin. Should do it. 1 ounce of ginger beer. I made this myself. I'll show you how to do it. That in there. That. Put some ice. Cover that up. We got licks. Thank you so much for watching. Friday night cocktails. Give it a shake about 30 minutes, 30 seconds. Strain that into a highball glass with ice. There we go. Wipe my mess. And we're gonna garnish it with a mint sprig. There you go. Gin, mule. See how we did this. Refreshing. Oh, refreshing. Mint, gin, homemade ginger beer, homemade simple syrup, homemade ice. Hey, thank you so much for spending time with me. Friday night cocktail. See you on Wednesday. We're gonna make you a nice meal. Thank you.